Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Betterment to link retirement account for tax planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Betterment for linking your retirement account, ensure you have your retirement account information ready. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Betterment website. Log into your Betterment account using your email and password. Once logged in, look for the account or settings section in the menu. Click on the Link Accounts option. Select Retirement Account from the list of account types you can link. Next, choose your retirement account provider from the drop-down menu. If your provider is not listed, you may need to select Other and enter the details manually. Carefully enter your retirement account number when prompted. You will also need to provide your account type, which could be an IRA, 401k, or another type of retirement account. After that, enter the routing number for your retirement account. Review your entered information for accuracy to ensure there are no mistakes. Click on the Authorize button to continue. You may be redirected to your retirement account provider's login page. Enter your credentials for your retirement account to securely log in. Follow any additional prompts from your provider to grant Betterment access. Once authorized, return to Betterment's site. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your retirement account has been successfully linked. Check that all account balances and details are displayed correctly. This process enables Betterment to assist you with tax planning based on your retirement assets. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact Betterment's support team for assistance. Your retirement account is now linked, allowing you to proceed with effective tax planning strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.